They have different location at McDonald's. So today, same thing. French fries, no salt. And I see these birds here, so I gotta give them a visit. Yo, birds! Oh, they don't like it too much. Yo, birds! Yo, birds! Birds! This one is smart. They come and pick up the... You want some salt? Yeah. No, I don't like it anymore. Where's the rest of them? No, over there. Keep going. No.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. That's a drive-through automated things. There you go. Oh, I can't see. Yo, birds. Hello. Keep looking. Oh, there's more here. Oh, look at that guy. Scared them off now. Okay, I guess my job is done. Before somebody grab my Popeye sandwich. And my smoothies. I have smoothie right in front of me there. Well, I guess I have my lunch at the sidewalk here. See all those birds over there? They're over there. Anyway, the other place is better, right under that the underpath. So those birds, they know they've been fed all the time. These guys, they probably don't know. So it's all good. That's my Popeye sandwich. Chicken sandwich.